Hello friends, welcome to Code Stack with Saida. This is our new video in C++ projects practice series. In this video, we will learn how to use graphics in devc++. First, we have to set up. Our devc++ for graphics. Then, I'll tell you how to use graphics.h in your projects and a few simple functions of graphics.h library. So let's work on it. This is my file, cpp file. As you can see, I have included graphics.h here. Run it and see the error. Graphics.h, no such file or directory found, because by default in devc++ there is no graphics.h header file and no tool for graphics.h. We have to install it by ourselves. So what we have to do is, I have a folder here on my desktop, min.gw, and two subfolders inside here. One is min.gw and second is linker. This folder we have to copy in our drive where we have installed our devc++, and this is the linker file, the linker that we need to link our graphics.h. So I am copying this folder, copy, and find your devc++ installed folder. In my case, it's in local C program files, and this is devc++. Just paste it here. It will take a few seconds. Now try to run this program again. Same error occurred because we have not included our graphics.h library, our compiler, to this compiler setup. So what we have to do is tools, compiler option, and now we have to add a compiler by folder. Add a compiler setup by folder. Then select the place where min.gw is located. In my case, it's in desktop, min.gw, and select the min.gw folder, complete folder, and press OK. Now we need a linker here, and this is here. We need a linker here. This is the linker. Control C and paste it here. Control V, and remember, after libgcc we need a space here, and you can see a space and a space around. And now we have to rename the selected folder. I'm giving it name BGI. Press OK and try to run it. Nothing happened because we just included a header file, but you can see no error occurred. It means file has been included here. So I'm using a function to see if it works. Initiate graphic driver. By default its value is detect, and then graphic mode, initiate graph. Now we have to assign the path, graphic driver, graphic mode, and the address. In my case is in C:/BGI, and Control S, run it. Only a splash here, so use get.ch and close graph function. Why I'm using this? Because my graphics BGI window is not displaying correctly. So this is the BGI window. It will be displayed till I'll press a key. You can see. So now you can include it in your projects. I'm just using a line function here. We will see its function further in our next videos. This is x1, x1, y1, x2, y2. This is the line function from x1 to x2 horizontally, from y1 to y2 vertically. So I'm assigning it values here. Line from 50 to y1 is from 50 to 200. Now y1 is from axis 100 to 100. This should be same in my case. You can change it according to your choice. So you can see here a line from 50 to 200. In next video we will learn about more functions of graphics.h. Try it, and if you face any error, please tell me. I'll help you. And thanks for watching.